No cut.
A business plan can be a crucial tool to help you get organized your business work. If you're considering asking for funding or financial assistance, a solid business plan is usually a requirement. Hi everybody! In this video, we will discuss how to make a successful business plan. So, first and foremost, a big thumbs up for the video. If you're new here, welcome. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to be updated whenever a new video is uploaded. We will be going to discuss 6 steps to follow to make a good business plan. Step 1. Define your business. Defining your business is the most vital thing that can help your company become successful. By defining your business, you are better able to achieve your goals and sustain superior performance. 2 things that you need to consider when you define your business are your marketing position statement and your unique selling proposition. Your USP must be strong enough to attract customers and compel them to buy your product or service. Step 2. Market analysis. You have to analyze the market to prove that there is a need and target audience for your business. This is a great way to validate your business idea as well. Be sure to clarify who you wish to serve along with some detailed statistics that describe them, their interests, what products and services they buy, along with their needs and wants. The more narrow your target market, the more focused you can be in your marketing. On the other hand, if you are tempted to serve more than one target market, it can be costly, and you may not succeed. Step 3. Competitive strategy. To demonstrate the viability of your business, your plan needs to demonstrate how you will sustain a competitive advantage. Your strategy needs to show how you will capture your target market. What are the marketing strategies and tactics that you will create and execute to generate customers and sales? Who will be on your marketing team? You need to address this type of question in your business plan. Step 4. Financial projections. Your financial performance is a measure of your success. Map out the financial progress you plan to make with your business over the next 3 to 5 years. You'll need to address the price and profitability of your products and services. Your projections include the number of customers you expect you will attract. How much will they each buy? Include revenue goals, and you might want to specify how much you'd need from an investor or a loan to bring those goals to fruition. This is also a great place to mention various different startup costs you'll have so investors can know why you need money to support your business. Step 5. Organizational structure. Have you ever thought about how your business will operate and be structured? Will you act as the CEO? Will you have a team or hire interns? Or will you eventually need to work with accounting, sales, and marketing experts? This is a great section to answer all of those questions and map out how you might expect your business to grow in the future and which roles you'll have and need. Step 6. Focus on products or services. Finally, what matters the most is your service to your customer. So focus on the quality of your product or service. Discuss what makes your product or service unique and how you plan to execute it in a competitive marketplace. If you're going to be selling products, include descriptions and images along with whether you'd need to trademark anything. This is it for today's video. Please click the like button if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.